Today we will configure new GL profit center. Okay. So first one, maintain controlling area. T code OKKP. Okay. We are creating JKCA controlling area. Okay. We go for so path in IMG screen SPRO in controlling. So this is controlling setting. Okay, na? Controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain controlling area. In organization, maintain controlling area. So in maintain controlling area, here also maintain controlling area. So here we have to create new one, new controlling area. So what is our new controlling area? JKCA. We will create JKCA as our controlling area. JKCA. So name. What we will enter name? We already defined. JK controlling area. JK controlling area. So we have to define here. Next, in company code controlling area, have two options. So we are selecting cross company code cost accounting. For if in our company we have many company codes, then we will select. For better understanding, we are selecting cross company code cost accounting. Okay. Next, currency type. So what is our currency type? Company code currency. Next, currency. So what is our currency? INR. INR is our currency. Next, chart of accounts. JK operating chart of accounts. Next, fiscal year variant. J4. So in real time, April to March, V3. We are configured J4 because somebody may change V3 settings. That's why we have configured J4. Cost center standard hierarchy. It is very most important. So we will define as JKCA underscore cost. We will discuss it later. Okay. You need to remember that one. Cost center standard hierarchy. We use JKCA underscore cost. Okay. So this box means previously JKCA underscore cost is not there. Now we are creating this standard hierarchy. Okay. Cost center standard hierarchy. We will create in controlling area creation. Okay. So these are the controlling area related to costing. In controlling area, we have defined cross company code, cost accounting, currency type, currency, chart of accounts, fiscal year variant, cost center, standard hierarchy. Okay. Save now. Oh, previously we created controlling area JKCA. Now we have to assign our company code. So this is the option. Assignment of company code, new entries. So our company code is JK10. JK10. JK Steels Private Limited. Save. So we are back to activating controlling area settings. Okay. new entries. So fiscal year variant. What is our fiscal year variant? 2026. So cost centers, activate components. So here we have to activate components. So for cost centers, we have component active, a activity type, checkbox is next order management, active, next commitment management, active. Okay. Next we have to take projects, sales orders, cost objects because we are using this in our company. Okay. Save now. Here we will get up 2026 to up to 9999 fiscal year. Okay. So we created controlling area and this controlling area assigned to our company code. After that, we have activated these components. Okay, cost centers, order management, commitment management. So projects, sales orders, cost objects, so all currencies, company code validation. So these are all activated in our controlling area. Okay. Now we will check activate controlling area. Decode OKKS. This is used in practice server because somebody may change their controlling area as default one. That's why to set our controlling area, we enter T code OKKS. So this is end user activity. That's why we can do in SAP Easy Access screen. Okay. SAP menu, accounting, in accounting, financial accounting. In that GL ledger, master records, profit center. In profit center, set controlling area. This one. Okay. So what is our controlling area? Do you remember? JKCA. That means JK controlling area. So now we are setting JKCA as default controlling area. Okay. Now we will configure activate profit center accounting in controlling area. Okay. Activate profit center accounting in controlling area. So in that financial accounting, GL accounting, master data, profit center, and profit center, activate profit center accounting in controlling area. So what is our controlling area? JKCA. So for JKCA controlling area for fiscal year 2026, we are activating profit center accounting. That's why we have to enable this tick. Okay. Checkbox save. Saved. Okay. Now we are configuring define profit center standard hierarchy in controlling area. So up to now we have configured the controlling area and we have activated that controlling area and activate profit center accounting in controlling area. That means we have activated profit center accounting. Okay. Now we have defined standard hierarchy, profit center standard hierarchy. We have defined profit center standard hierarchy. So the T code is KCH4. T code is KCH4. So in path, financial accounting, GL accounting, master data, profit center, define profit center standard hierarchy in controlling area. This option. Okay. In that, so what is our controlling area? JKCA. JKCA is our controlling area. So hierarchy, we have to define one hierarchy. For cost center, while creating controlling area, we have defined for cost center standard hierarchy. In profit center, we have to create now. So we have created JKCA underscore PCA. Okay. This is our profit center standard hierarchy. JKCA underscore PCA is description. Okay. This one. Now we are comparing define standard hierarchy. That means profit center group. So the T code is KCH4. Now we are comparing JK underscore PCA. This is the main profit center standard hierarchy. In that profit center standard hierarchy, we are creating two hierarchies. One is steel sheet profit center group. Another one is steel rod profit center group. Okay. So define standard hierarchy. Define standard hierarchy. Previously we have created profit center standard hierarchy. So what is the description? So JK profit center standard hierarchy. So previously we have created this one JKC underscore PCA. So now we have created description. In that we have created a steel profit center group. For this one lower level, we will take JK10 underscore SPG. JK10 underscore SPG. That means steel profit center group. JK10 steel profit center group. Okay. In the lower level, the first one JK10 SSPG. That means JK10 steel sheet profit center group. JK10 steel sheet profit center group. So here same level, in same level JK10 underscore SRPG. So that means JK10 steel rod profit center group. Okay. So this is main standard hierarchy. So what is main standard hierarchy? JK profit center standard hierarchy. Okay. In that, the first one is in JK10 SPG. That means steel profit center group. This is entire steel profit center group. In that steel profit center group, the first one is we have separated JK10 steel sheet profit center group. The second one is steel rod profit center group. So these are groups we have categorized. So now say saved. Okay. So today we will configure create profit center. T code KE51. So here we are creating two profit centers. One is for steel sheet, another one is for steel rod. Okay. So KE51 is the T code. So this is end user activity. That's why SAP menu, financial accounting. In financial accounting, GL ledger, that means general ledger. Master records, in master records, profit center, in profit center, individual processing, in the profit center, this one, individual processing, create. Okay, so in profit center, individual processing, create. So what is our first profit center group? What is our first profit center? For steel sheet, it is creating JK100. So JK100 is our first profit center. So in our controlling area, JKCA is our controlling area. What is the name of our first profit center? JK Steel Sheet Profit Center. Okay, JK Steel Sheet Profit Center. So for long stay, long text. After that, person responsible. So who is responsible for this profit center? We can name next profit center group. So what is our profit center group? This one we are creating SSPG. This means Steel Sheet Profit Center Group. Okay, so this is Steel Sheet Profit Center Group. That's why the group selected as SSPG. Okay, next department can mention finance. Next segment. What is our segment for steel sheet? JKSS. JKSS because JK steel sheet segment. Okay. Next. Do you remember that? So these are our profit centers. Company codes we have assigned one company code only. JK10. Now we are saving. Oh, remember one thing. While creating profit center, we have to tick this activate button. This is must and should. Without activating profit center, it cannot work. Okay, that's why we have to tick this activate button. Now profit center has been created. JK100. Okay. Next we are creating JK200 for steel rod. JK200. So for this we have defined JK steel rod profit center group. Profit center group. Person responsible for profit center. That means for steel rod profit center, Ram is responsible. Okay. Department finance profit center group. So what is our profit center group for steel rod? SRPG, steel rod profit center group. Okay, segment. So what is our segment here? Steel rod. We can search there also, but we are remembering that's just simple JKRS. JK steel rod segment. So we already assigned that company code. Directly we can take activate button. Okay, profit center JK200 has been created. Okay. Now we will see define standard hierarchy profit center group. So in KCH4, FICO KCH4. So this is our creation. JK profit center standard hierarchy. In that, JK10 steel profit center group, steel profit center group. In that, one is steel sheet profit center, another one is steel rod profit center group. Okay. So in steel sheet profit center group, expand this one. So we have created JK100, this profit center. In steel rod segment, so here we have created JK200 is the profit center. If we go for post transactions, if it's related to steel sheet, it will go to the steel sheet profit center group. If the entry is related to steel rod profit center, those entries it will transfer to steel rod profit center. Okay. Thank you.